Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use the Uber Driver app. Using into the Uber Driver app honestly feels like a bit like signing up to become your own boss overnight. Except instead of a fancy office, you get traffic and random passengers asking you if you know a shortcut. First, download the app or head over to Uber and sign up with your email. After that, choose how you want to earn, whether that it's deliveries by bike, rides with your car, or even scooter deliveries, depending on your area. I tried exploring the taxi driver option, and the app immediately asked for vehicle details like the model year, license plate, and registration info. Uber also requires verification, so be ready to upload your driver's license, profile photo, vehicle registration, and sometimes inspection certificates. Once approved, you can finally go online, accept rides nearby, and use navigation apps like Google Maps or Waze directly through the app. The funniest part is watching the app go silent for 5 minutes, then suddenly throwing 3 ride requests at you like it. Remember, run is due. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.